I'm Dr. Jamie Davis, and I'm a professor of nutrition at the University of Texas at Austin. Nutrition is the study of food and how food impacts our body and overall health. I got interested in this work because I know that kids who eat a lot of fruits and vegetables grow up to be strong and healthy. Eating fruits and vegetables powers us up to do all of our favorite things, from playing with friends, to doing well in school, to excelling in sports. Kids who grow their own food will be more likely to eat it. Willingness to try vegetables and preference for vegetables is one thing linked to long-term intake of those vegetables.
And we also know that sugar-sweetened beverages like soda and sports drinks are the main contributor of added sugar in kids' diets. At Texas Sprouts, we teach kids how to make their own Aguas Frescas, which is water infused with fruits, vegetables, and herbs.
It's from our garden that we just picked.
Can we eat it?
You can eat it, you can smell it. Gabby and Luke, can you guys take the mint and take off the leaves and put that in the water? So the leaf itself, you can smell it. If you have it on your finger, it actually kind of gets a little sticky, and that's the oil coming out of the mint, and that's what gives it the flavor. And if we crush it, we call it mulling it, then it actually releases more of the mint flavor. I like a little lime in my drink. So Connor, can you cut that lime just like we taught you? Put your fingers. Okay, Luke, you want to squeeze that lime down in there? Okay, Emily, let's have you add the ice. All right, and the last thing to add is club soda. So club soda has 0 grams of sugar in it, but it's got that bubbly carbonated feel that we like sometimes from the soda. And the longer you let it sit, the more flavorful the water will be, so you can put it in your refrigerator at home. Gabby, you want to stir that for me, just like that? Perfect. Okay, who wants to try it? And there's all sorts of different recipes that you can find. You can use all sorts of different herbs and fruit and vegetables from the garden. What do you guys think? Fizzy?
Good, yeah.
All right, okay, awesome.
It tastes pretty good.
Yeah, it tastes pretty. Is this something you guys would drink at home? Yeah, over a soda? Nice.
Does it have any sugar in it?
It has no sugar in it. It's all natural sugar. So there's natural sugar in the mint and the lime, but no calories or added sugar goes with it. So it's a very good alternative to having a soda.
If you're interested in learning more about Aguas Frescas recipes, click the link in the video description below.